The Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration or PAGASA has announced that the Super El Nino is weakening, but its effects is still expected to last into the month of May. That is why the public expect to feel more effects of the drought in the next months, especially as we go to the months where the temperature is hotter in March, April, and May. PAGASA advises the public to prepare for the effect of hot and humid weather due to the El Nino phenomenon. Now the effects of severe drought are being felt in some areas in the country.
So makikita po natin progression yung pagdami ng mga lugar na nagkakaroon ng significant reduction sa tubig ulan. So meaning po, kung titingnan natin yung mga areas na posible pang maaapektuhan ng peak impact ng El Nino ng March, April, May, kasabay pa dyan yung tindi ng init ng temperatura. So, ibig sabihin po, yung mga lugar na yon already experience prolonged drought or dry spell either since December, since January, or since February 2024 at posibleng magtutuloy-tuloy.
Meanwhile, PAGASA has released the La Nina Watch Advisory today, March 7, due to the high possibility of it developing in the month of June.
Nakikita natin na mataas ang posibilidad, more than 50% na mag-develop ang La Nina sa buwan ng Hunyo.
But according to the Philippine Weather Bureau, the effect of La Nina is still expected in the last months of this year.
Kapag may nagde-develop na La Nina, inaasahan natin na during tag-ulan or habagat, inaasahan natin na less ang mga pag-ulan. Kaya binabantayan po ng PAGASA na bagamat maging neutral na ang El Nino sa buwan ng Hunyo, ay may mga lugar pa rin na makakaranas ng tagtuyot, drought or dry spell sa ibang lugar sa ating bansa.
PAGASA is continuously monitoring the possible climate changes in the country and also with the government agencies that will respond to the effects of weather phenomenon. Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.